Hello everyone, I am Siddhi Bardere and today's my topic for discussion is on yoga. Everyone knows that how the beneficial is the yoga. There are various yoga mudras which have the specific beneficial actions for our body just to maintain our health and steadiness and to relieve the stress and all these things just for peace. Now all the thing is needed is just a yoga in today's life. Every person is taking lots of stress. There are certain burdens is there. Every people is suffering from the much more stress and anxiety. So in today's life, yoga is the only way just to heal all these things. So this yoga, in Sanskrit it is called as yoga. So this yoga, we in this yoke or union pronouns. It is a group of what is the yoke? Yoga. It is nothing but it is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practices, disciplines which originate in the ancient India. The aim of the yoga is to keep the mind recognizing and witness consciousness and untouched with the mind, and to also remove the mundane suffering, that is dukha. There are wide variety of schools are there, school colleges are there where the yoga is much more important. Uh, and uh, and and the yoga day is celebrated in the whole across the world. The main focus on the yoga, it is done in our India, but we must know that this yoga, it is invented in our Indian culture, that is in our in our Sanskrit. The yoga, it is came from our India. So our rishi munis and lots of sons which are passed away, they are doing the meditations. The meditation, it is one of the most powerful weapons to achieve everything. So there are lots of rishi munis are there who do the lots of meditations. So their thinking is beyond the level, and they and according to the research, it is said that when the rishi munis goes to the meditation beyond the limit, so at that time they are in their own world. And at that time the sound that they hear is nothing but the om, not perfectly the om, but om. This song is these vibrations get come into their body. So to control our mind, to control our stress, anxiety, and all this thing, and to control our body, and and that our body free from all the uh, illness. The only thing is just a yoga. So we will see that what are the benefits of the yoga, what is actual the yoga, what are the types of yoga. There are different types of yoga. Hatha yoga. The hatha yoga realizes extensively on posture, and there are various asana which are done. Typically, there are different types of yoga for different types of. First is uh, Asha, Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga is one of the oldest kinds of yoga. The branch yoga has been mentioned in the Patanjali, a Sanskrit verse book. This type of yoga has a eight branch. That's why it is called as Ashtanga Yoga. It includes presence, yoga position, postures, breathing, concentration on object, withdrawal of sense, and meditations. And the main benefit of this kind of yoga is the fact that it's supposed to purify the body and the mind. And also there is a hatha yoga. Hatha yoga relives extensively on posture and asanas for its benefits. In fact, the combination of the Shaiblis Ha and itself it's supposed to awaken to governing agency of life. And next, moving toward there is another yoga that is mantra yoga. In this type of yoga, that is practiced through the chanting of the mantras. In this, we are we are talking about the mantras, and when we especially there is a yoga in which we have to just say the om. The reason we had to say the om due to this om speaking, there is a facial, it is a type of facial yoga too. And also from this om there are vibration which are generated in our body, and that vibration have the healing power. And next is bhakti yoga. This branch of yoga is completely based on the faith and belief. While practicing it generally suggests that the person place their faith and belief on supreme powers such as God and higher consciousness. One of the most prerequisite for doing the kind of yoga is actually interesting in it. Next type of yoga is the Janana yoga. This kind of yoga is sometimes related to the knowledge and the wisdom derived from practicing the yoga. The Jana yoga, a person derives his knowledge and awareness through the meditation and all this thing. It means Janana yoga. It's all about just if we have to take some knowledge, if we have to grasp some things, something. So all the things just to increase our memory and all this thing, just for peace and stressfulness and to achieve lots of things, is nothing but a meditation, and just a meditation. Next is Kriya Yoga. This type of yoga focuses on the bodily activity. It means it simply it includes the physical activities that needs to maintain the body health and the perfect body gestures, just to maintain to shape up the body. And there are various also exercises and physical activity that leads to healing power of the various organs, and also for the health benefits of the of some bodies. Next is Swara Yoga, and this is one of the this is not a popular kind of yoga, but slightly, but it is highly important. So, Swara, it is Sanskrit, it means a sound or a note. Yoga means union. So the combination of Swara and yoga, despite a cosmic consequences through which people can learn how to control their breath and lead in a better life. Next is Kundalini Yoga. It is one of the most practiced branch of yoga. It deals with the psychic center in the body chakras that are in all individuals. There are six such chakras in the body. Um, so there are seven soul are there, seven chakras. But to achieve that chakra is most difficult. Just to go through that, we have to totally give all our dedication in the meditation. It is a next pro level things. Next is the Kripalu Yoga. In this, we are doing the Kapalabhati, that is in and out of the oxygen in and out. That means inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. Next, moving toward, we will see about the what are the various that is five facts about the yoga. So there are the yoga. It is an old discipline Hindu philosophy from India. It is both spiritual and physical. Next, what are the five facts about the yoga? So yoga is over 5,000 years ago. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit language, which literally means the union. And yoga is one of the oldest physical discipline in the world. Yoga was introduced to American in 18th century, and yoga it is then followed by them as a modern yoga. Next, moving toward what are the main 10, what are the 10 benefits of the yoga. It improves it improves the postures, flexibility, build muscle strength, boost metabolism, help in lowering blood sugar, increase blood flow, keep diseases at bay, increase the self esteem. It has healing power of lots of things. And next, we must know who is the father of the yoga. So our uh, father of the yoga is Tirumalai Krishnamacharya, who died in 20th February 1989. That has aged 100 years, because due to the yoga we can live long. So that's why known as the father of modern yoga. This is all about the yoga. Hope you should enjoy, and you must follow the all the yogas, and you must follow up the yogas, because it is have the lots of benefit with the zero side effects. Here is the end of my video. Thank you.